Hello everyone, my name is Go-Eum. I'm a PhD student from Smart Lab at Purdue University. This video presentation is to introduce our paper, Implications of Personality on Cognitive Workload, Affect, and Task Performance in Remote Robot Control. In remote robot control applications, it is essential for human operators to perceive and repeat actions continuously. Intrinsic factors tied to one's personality traits crucially improve the task performance through their connections to implicit perception in information processing. Information processing theories in psychology claim that personality traits have relationships with tasks. The traits have been analyzed to determine which personality types show better performance. However, the traits in human-robot interaction did not show congruent findings with task performance. In this paper, our contributions are: we statistically investigate correlations between personality traits, task performance, and human temporal intrinsic states. Also, we verify the existence of direct and indirect effects between those measurements. Lastly, we present a comprehensive discussion of personality in human-robot teams with quantitative and qualitative studies. We utilized an open-access multimodal dataset called MOCAS and adopted the data of 21 participants containing human operators' personality traits, two types of cognitive workloads, affective states, and their work performance in closed-circuit television surveillance systems. Participants monitored a graphic user interface with segmented camera views streamed from robots moving at different speeds for various tasks. Screen showed normal and abnormal objects. Participants clicked for abnormal ones. Correct clicks gained 1 point, while incorrect ones deducted 3 points from their overall performance. Participants also completed 4 types of questionnaires during the study. They completed the Big 5-factor marker during the initial phase. Questionnaires for cognitive workload and affect were collected per task. The video demonstrates the example of the main experiment with different number of camera views and robot speed. As the first step of analysis, we have plotted all the data in scatter plots to detect any relationship in the dataset. We identified least square linear relationships between data, but not nonlinear ones. We adopted Pearson's correlation and found that some pairs of experimental variables and performance showed significant relationships, as the table on the left shows. Also, the analysis revealed that personality had positive and negative relationships with participant performance, behavior indicators, and their questionnaires. We also conducted structural equation modeling with 3 categorical variables from factor analysis: personality, workload, and performance. It turned out that personality traits have a limited impact on performance. First, we derived 3 items from personality and task performance. Extroversion and agreeableness impacted task performance. Conscientiousness had weak relevance with task-related ratings. Also, extroversion, emotional stability, and consciousness did not have total effect on performance and workload. We derived 2 main points about personality and cognitive workload. Extroversion, emotional stability, and consciousness had associations with weighted NASA TLX and ISA. Moreover, extroversion had a positive relationship with the level of arousal, while agreeableness demonstrated a negative association. Regarding personality traits and valence, valence was the most insignificant variable in the CCTV surveillance robot control scenario. The valence level had weak relationship with emotional stability and imagination intellect due to, presumably, insignificant emotional load required during the experiment. We concluded that the effect of personality traits is not negligible, despite minimal effects in the task-oriented scenarios. Diverse interaction contexts should also be considered. Our future work will identify whether combining personality traits can lead to more successful task completion when operators collaborate. Thank you for watching.